on your head. Shake it loose and let it fall, laying salt upon my skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is wrong, but I don't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend, and the lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green grass of home. Yes, they all come to meet me. I'm reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green grass of home. Oh yeah. Well, the old house still is standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's an old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary. Hair golden leaves like cherries. It's good to touch the green grass of home. Then I wake and looks around me at four gray walls that surrounds me, and I realize, oh, I was only dreaming. But there's a guard, and there was a sad old gathering. Arm in arm, we'll walk at daybreak again. I'll touch the green grass of home. Whoa! To see me in the shade of that old oak tree, as they lay me neath the green grass. Yes. If it brings you happiness, then I wish you all the best. It's your happiness that matters most of all. But if he ever breaks your heart, if the teardrops ever start, and I'll be there before the next teardrops fall. Si te quiere de verdad y te da felicidad, te deseo lo más bueno para los dos. Pero si te así a mí me puedes hablar que estaré contigo cuando triste estás. I'll be there anytime you need me, by your side, to drive away each teardrop that you cry. But if he ever leaves you blue, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrops fall. And I'll be there before the next teardrops fall. Alright. Next, ano pwede ko still ano yun?